at least see that someone coming to get my car before y'all try to impound because I got someone coming to get my car.
I need to stop yelling.
You're already going to fucking jail. Fuck stupid ass.
Taking your handcuffs off.
Press that shit tight.
Ma'am.
Tight. Ow.
Incident, the 3rd of August, 2024, Georgia, United States. Event, DUI, traffic, stop, arrest and use of force. Parties, lead officer badge, no, 2,248 versus female driver, charges. Driving under the influence, O.C.G.A, section 406391. Resisting arrest, O.C.G.A, section 161024.
Where were you coming from before that?
West Broad.
So you've been at West Broad all day?
West Broad. Coming this way, baby. I was coming this way. I was going to McDonald's. But I missed a shot, so I came this way.
Okay. You're going to McDonald's.
So I guess that's why he said failure to maintain lane, whatever.
Okay. Have you had anything to drink tonight, alcohol-wise?
I had 2 shots.
2 shots? What were the shots?
Huh?
Like, would you prefer vodka, tequila? What were you drinking on?
Tequila.
Tequila? Okay.
I'm not drunk, though.
I'm not saying that you are, hon. I'm just
Y'all want to breathalyze me?
Well, first, before we get to that, just to make sure that you are safe to drive before we let you go, I would like to run some field sobriety on you just to make sure that you're good. And then if you're good, then you'll go on your way, okay?
Okay.
Okay? All right, what we're going to do, let's just walk down here to the parking lot down here, and we'll go from there. You got somebody in your car?
You want to leave my car here?
That's okay. Let me get somebody else up here if you'll hang out with me.
You're fine.
Yeah,
hey,
the
we're here
deputy's
together,
right
so
here.
we're good. We're good, bro.
Cool, thank you. Deputy's going to sit with me if you can. We're just going to come down there to that flat parking lot, and we're going to go from there.
Can I grab my phone?
Where's your phone at?
In my car. I just for my safety. I just want to know I'm okay.
You're okay. You're okay.
Just in case anything.
You're okay. Your phone's okay. It's going to stay in the car, okay? But we're going to walk down here.
So I just want to give you some.
Would you throw your backlights off for me? Yeah, McDonald's is a good choice.
Wait.
What was you going to get at McDonald's?
Huh?
What was you going to get at McDonald's?
I was going to get me that $5 meal deal.
There's some nuggets, maybe McChicken.
Sauce. I want to give me a hot C, no ice.
Oh, that's the best drink. Me and you are alike.
Yeah.
All right, so if you'll just hang out right there for me. Do you have any type of head injuries or anything that would prevent you from following my finger with your eyes? Like a concussion?
So, one more time, I'm sorry.
It's okay. Do you have any like head injuries or head trauma that would prevent you from following my finger? Okay. Would you remove your glasses for me?
Okay.
I know it's right next to you, so you'll be able to see, I promise, okay?
You sure? Because I'm blind, baby.
I am too, believe me. Look at mine. My glasses are incredibly thick. Okay, so what you're going to do, I'm going to have you follow the tip of my finger with your eyes and eyes only, okay? Without moving your head. So it's
like without like going like this?
Without doing like this, you're just going to follow with your eyes.
Okay.
And put your hands down by your side if you don't mind.
I'm going to put you right.
Yeah, that's fine. I won't step on them, I promise. All right, you understand the instructions?
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right, you see my finger?
Mm-hmm.
All right.
I'm doing good, right?
Go ahead and blink. Take a good pause. And remember, just move your eyes. Don't move your head.
My
okay?
eyes, okay.
Just your eyes, okay.
Stay straight.
All right.
I can
Stay on the finger. You guys stay on the finger,
okay, I'm sorry.
We'll try one more time.
Okay, I'm sorry.
Would it help if I used a pen? Maybe?
Yeah, pen.
Okay, let's do that.
You trying to play with me, sir?
I'm not playing with you. I've done this 1,000 times. I'm not playing with you.
Okay, I'm sorry.
All right, you want to try again?
Yes,
all
one more time. I'm sorry.
Right.
I just feel like you should play
I'm not just, I do have to read this to you, okay? It's mandated by state law that I have to read this to you.
I passed, though. You tripping.
So, ma'am, what your eyes are telling me is that you're above a point.
My eyes.
But look,
I walked and everything. What are you talking about? Is your
it.
camera on?
It is.
What's your badge number?
I'll give it to you, but
Okay,
first,
what's your supervisor?
him, who just watched this entire test.
That is not your supervisor.
Do you see the 3 stripes on his shirt? That means supervisor. I'm not
What's your
calling
name?
anybody
Badge
out.
number. Can I please get it?
Deasia, we've been so
Okay,
nice. We've been so nice,
tired
okay?
of talking. Y'all already from lock me. I don't give a fuck no
All
more.
right. The state of
Fuck
Georgia
that.
has conditioned your privilege to drive upon the highways of the state upon your submission to state-administered
Come
chemical
on,
tests of your
bro.
blood, breath, urine, or other bodily substances for the
Breathalyze
purpose
me. How about
of
that?
determining if you're under the influence of alcohol
Can you
or drugs.
breathalyze me?
If you refuse this testing, your Georgia
I have the
driver's
right to get
license or
breathalyzed,
privilege-
right?
If you'll listen to what I'm saying, I'm trying to
Can you
offer you that
breathalyze
opportunity.
me, though?
Stop talking and listen.
I don't
want to
stop talking now because you don't piss me off.
You,
I don't did all this for nothing.
if you refuse
at
this
this point,
testing, your Georgia driver's
I
license
don't
or
want to talk.
privilege
Just
to drive
go ahead
upon
and
the
send me
highways
up
of the
out there.
state will be suspended for a
I
minimum
don't
period
care.
of 1 year. Your refusal to
Come
submit
on,
to
take
blood
me
and
up
urine
there.
testing
You
may
don't
be
piss
offered
me
into
off,
evidence
bro.
against
For
you at
real
trial.
talk.
If you submit the
You done
testing
made
and
me
the
mad,
results
sir.
indicate an alcohol concentration of 0.08
I'm not
grams or
alcohol
more,
concentration.
your Georgia
Breathalyze
driver's
me.
license
How
or
about that?
privilege to drive upon the highways of the state may be
Breathalyze me.
suspended for a minimum period of 1 year.
Breathalyze.
After
He's
your
gotta read
first-
that.
Bro, I don't give a
after
fuck.
Doesn't matter.
Breathalyze
Just
me.
let me keep
Did you
going.
call my grandmother?
I
After
did,
first
but now we're
submitting
just gonna
to
tow
the
the car
requested
'cause you're not
state test,
No, no, no,
you're
no, you
entitled
can't do
to
that.
a
I have the
roadway
right.
chemical test of
You
your
don't.
blood, breath, urine, and other bodily
I don't.
substances.
All right.
At
What's
your
your
own
badge
roadway.
number?
and from qualified personnel of your own choosing.
All
Will
right,
you submit
badge
to
number,
this?
sir.
Will you submit to the state
Badge
administered
number,
chemical
sir.
test of your breath?
I have the right to get your badge
And
number.
you're
Will
gonna
you
get it.
submit
Answer
to
the
All
the
right,
state
what's your? I
administered
don't give a
chemical
fuck
test
what
of your
your.
breath?
I'm sorry.
Will you submit to the state administered chemical test of your breath?
Can I get your badge number?
It's a yes or no question. I'm going to read it one more time, and then I'm going to take it as a no. Okay?
2248.
Will you
You
submit
have the
to
right.
the state administered
Yeah,
chemical
go
test of
ahead.
your breath? Okay.
Bro, this is crazy. And what? This is crazy, bro. This is insane. What the fuck?
All right, Mr. Asia, will you get your shoes on?
I don't want my shoes on. This is crazy.
So you want to be barefoot for the rest of the night?
Yes. Just put my shoes in my car, please.
Okay.
Hold on, wait. You ain't gotta be so aggressive. Wait. Hold on, wait. My shoes in my car. Hold on. Is she coming to get my car? Hello?
Is there an Intox operator that can meet me downtown, please?
This is crazy. Like, y'all is tripping. Y'all really tripping. This is insane. Like, what the hell?
Okay, I don't want
Can
you
you
to...
breathalyze me?
That's where we're going.
Okay, is your camera on,
About to
sir?
be en route in just a moment.
Is your camera on?
It's been on this entire time.
Okay, may I review it?
You have the right to request an open records
Yeah, all right,
request.
let me see
But that's
it.
not going to happen right now.
Why not right now? Wait.
Because
Hold on.
that's not how things
Hold
work.
on. May I at least see that someone coming to get my car before y'all try to impound? Because I got someone to come get my car. I have the right to call somebody to come get my car.
So your car is on a public road. You don't have the right to come for somebody to come get it. We can tow it if we want. Like, we were trying to be nice to you, but then
How
And
are
here's
you
what
trying
I'm
you
to
gonna
be
decided
nice
that
to
you
do.
didn't want to do that.
I'm gonna call that woman you asked me to call back in 5 minutes, like I told her I was gonna. And if she's able to get somebody here within that 10-minute time frame,
She having she.
then I'm
got
gonna allow
license.
her to pick it up.
Do you have anything on you?
I did not. I'm not
Miss D'Angelo,
intoxicated.
do
You
you
did not
have-
even breathalyze me. Like, what the breathalyze me?
That's where we're going, Mr. Asia.
Okay, breathalyze.
How old are you?
It don't matter at this point. You locking me up. You got my name and shit. Come on, bro.
Oh, I just figured I'd ask you before I did the
I don't
math.
have nothing in my pocket, so you don't even
Well,
have the
I
right
tried
to
to
search me.
ask-
You're
Oh,
a
I do.
male.
You're
I
under
do have
arrest.
the right to search you.
You
Just 'cause
don't.
I'm
A
male does
female
not mean-
is supposed to search me. I know
No,
my
that's
rights.
not
Come
by
on
law.
now.
You do not know your rights.
I do know my rights.
That's
Thank
not by
you.
law, actually. But you can go
It
and
is.
step in the car.
You
okay?
cannot do all that, sir.
You can go and step in the car.
And your camera on, right?
That's been
Cameras
on this
are
whole
on.
time.
All right.
Step forward so we can open the
when
door.
No,
Yes, ma'am. You got
no.
All right.
Now step in the car.
No, I
Ain't no
want to
need
get
for
the
all that.
camera
Miss Gaza,
first.
You're
I
gonna-
will
Sir.
forcefully put you in this car if you
Ma'am.
don't go yourself.
You're look, sir.
Ma'am, you need to stop. What's up with all this?
Sir,
Okay. Oh, you're good.
Oh.
You're good.
you
I
gotta
got it.
push me.
Let's trade.
Oh, the camera is
Let's go ahead
on,
and get
sir.
you to do that.
The camera is on, sir. Excuse me.
Hey, trade with me again.
I was going to come this way.
Come get in the car. There's
Okay,
no
you're
reason
stepping
to
in
do
the
all
door
that, sir.
Thank you.
There
Please
is
step
no
in now.
reason. Badge number.
This
Can I
is
get
your
your badge
last
number? What's your name? What's your name? Your badge number?
Ma'am.
Can I get your badge number?
You need to stop yelling.
You're already going to fucking jail. Fuck. You stupid ass.
48 at the start action line.
Taking your handcuffs off.
Cause that shit tight.
Ma'am?
Tight. Ow.
Yeah.
Really? I didn't know you were fighting.
Y'all some bro. Y'all some
Doing this.
y'all some
Doing
you
this.
didn't even lies me. Yeah, you're
There
getting
was zero
fired. Yeah.
need.
You're
Yeah.
not your job.
Are we
I don't give a
don't
No.
fuck. Y'all supposed to
No,
fucking
no, no, no.
court.
Yeah, that's
Y'all phone no for the
Her response
last time.
to
Get no cuff on me. The fuck you.
her response to, do you want
You
to
not gotta do a
fly?
no, you bitch.
Absolutely.
You ain't do tell me to do a mother.
Ma'am, have a seat for
You're
us.
making this so.
Stop being so.
Have a seat.
You gonna fix
I've
my.
treated you like
Are
one
you
this whole
gonna be-
time.
Hey,
No,
come
you
through
been
the back
rude.
No, man,
door.
you
And I
are.
like that you, Michigan.
I was being nice
Why
to
you
you.
want to be like that? Why? No, don't do that.
Pass it over. Rip up.
Don't fuck.
No, we are.
Don't do that.
Do you know why?
Don't do that.
Ma'am, stop.
That
Stop.
hurt. That hurt. For real.
Yes.
Stop.
Yes, it does.
Stop. Okay, stop. For real. That hurt. Okay, I'm gonna chill.
You're going to chill?
That hurt. That hurt. I'm gonna stop.
Keep chilling.
Oh, that hurt.
Ma'am.
Can I call
Why?
my people?
No, we're towing your car.
Hell no.
No, we are.
Please.
Ma'am.
Ow! Stop! Stop!
Okay, stop.
Ow,
Hold on. Stop.
Stop! Oh!
We are.
Do not move. Ma'am,
Oh.
stop moving. I need everyone to stop.
Stop! I'm gonna chill for real. That hurt.
Yes.
Stop for real. Let me. That hurt.
Yes, ma'am, it does. Stop.
No, let me get my grandma to get my car.
Let me hold her feet while you put it
I got a child,
I got it.
bro. Please, bro. I got a child, bro. Stop! Ow! Yeah.
Is there a chain on this door?
Traffic stop and voluntary admission legal basis. Lane violation under O.C.G.A. Section 40648 constitutes lawful stop initiation. Authority, Berkemer v. McCarty, 468 U.S. 4201984. Pre-arrest roadside questioning is not custodial interrogation. Miranda not required. Probable cause element. Voluntary admission to consuming alcohol satisfies O.C.G.A. Section 406391 threshold. Lesson. A voluntary roadside admission is fully admissible. Subjects are not entitled to Miranda warnings before a DUI investigation begins. Horizontal gaze and nystagmus test legal standard. NHTSA standardized field sobriety test manual. 6-pass HGN protocol. 4 or more clues out of 6 indicates impairment at 77% standalone accuracy. Admissibility. Harper v. State, 249 GA. App.1132001. HGN evidence is admissible in Georgia when NHTSA protocol is strictly followed. Procedural requirement. Head movement by the subject invalidates specific pass clues. Officer must redirect and re-administer affected passes. Lesson. Any deviation from NHTSA protocol creates a suppression risk. The subject cannot self-assess HGN results. The legal evidence is the officer observation, not the subject belief. Implied consent and chemical test legal standard. O.C.G.A. Section 40555. Verbatim reading of the statutory implied consent notice is a mandatory prerequisite to any chemical test. Consequence of refusal. 12-month license suspension first offense. Refusal is admissible at trial as evidence of consciousness of guilt. Authority. South Dakota v. Neville 459 U.S. 5531983. Refusal to submit to chemical testing does not implicate the Fifth Amendment. Lesson. Subject interruptions do not legally abbreviate or invalidate the reading. Any officer error or omission in delivering the notice is grounds for suppression of test results. Cross-gender search incident to arrest. No federal or Georgia constitutional provision requires a same-sex search incident to arrest. Legal standard. O.C.G.A. Section 1751 authorizes search incident to lawful arrest without any same-sex requirement. Authority. Keimel v. California 395 U.S. 7521969. Search incident to arrest is constitutionally gender-neutral. Lesson. Physical refusal based on an incorrect belief about search rights constitutes obstruction under O.C.G.A. Section 161024. The remedy for a rights violation is legal, not physical. Cameras are off statement. Bodycam accountability. Bodycam was actively recording from 0000. Statement made at 0735 directly contradicts continuous recording. Legal standard, O.C.G.A. Section 35118, 2021. Agencies must maintain written bodycam activation policies. Misrepresentation of camera status may constitute a policy violation. Use of force. Graham v. Connor 400 U.S. 386 et tusen 900 neo. Force is objectively reasonable where active resistance follows an explicit verbal warning. 3 factors. Severity of offense, immediate threat, active resistance. Lesson: a false statement about recording status made before use of force undermines the institutional integrity of the bodycam accountability framework and is subject to mandatory internal review. Handcuff complaint and obstruction of officer's excessive force standard. Flat C requires handcuff adjustment upon a specific complaint of pain attributable to tightness. Failure to respond creates a narrow but viable excessive force exposure under Graham v. Connor, 1989. Obstruction, O.C.G.A., Section 161024. Physical resistance to a lawful arrest is a misdemeanor. Violent physical resistance is a felony. Lawful remedies for a contested arrest. Motion to suppress evidence. Civil rights claim under 42 U.S.C. Section 1983. Internal Affairs Complaint. Lesson: physical resistance is not a legal remedy. It constitutes a separate criminal charge, forfeits procedural protections, and exposes the subject to elevated force under Graham v. Connor.